If you're struggling with Wi-Fi dead zones in your home or office, the TP-Link AC1200 Wi-Fi Extender, RE315, might just be the solution you've been looking for. While it's not designed to boost your actual internet speed, it significantly improves coverage and signal stability, especially in rooms far from your main router. Setup took under 5 minutes with the TP-Link Tether app. Just plug it in, connect it to your existing Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. LED indicators help you find the best placement spot. With coverage up to 1,600 square feet and support for up to 32 devices, this little unit punches well above its weight. I tested it in a 2-story home with multiple smart devices, and the improvement in connection stability was immediate, even in the backyard. The 2 external adjustable antennas provide a noticeable upgrade in signal direction and strength. Dead zones in my upstairs office and garage were eliminated after installation. TP-Link's commitment to cybersecurity is commendable. As a signatory of CISA's Secure by Design pledge, the RE315 has enhanced security baked in from the ground up, something many overlook in Wi-Fi extenders. Need wired reliability for your gaming console, desktop, or smart TV? The fast Ethernet port lets you convert the extender into a wired access point for even more stability. One of the standout features is Easy Mesh support. If you're building a whole home mesh system, this extender integrates seamlessly with any Easy Mesh compatible TP-Link router for adaptive roaming and smooth handoff between devices. The TP-Link AC1200 Wi-Fi Extender, RE-Fiend, isn't magic. It won't boost your ISP speed, but it does what it promises. Extends reliable, secure Wi-Fi across your home at an affordable price point. Whether you're streaming, working from home, or gaming, this extender adds serious value without breaking the bank.